Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs with cling film. First, take a piece of cling film, about 10 inches square, and lightly grease its center with a tiny bit of oil. Next, carefully press this greased film into a small bowl or a ramekin, creating a cup shape. Then, gently crack one fresh egg directly into the cling film-lined bowl, being careful not to break the yolk. Now, carefully gather the edges of the cling film together, twisting them tightly at the top to create a secure, sealed pouch around the egg. Make sure to squeeze out any excess air before sealing completely. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Then, using a slotted spoon, carefully lower the sealed egg pouch into the simmering water. For a perfectly soft, runny yolk, simmer your egg pouch for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer, medium-set yolk, extend the cooking time to around 5 minutes. Once cooked to your liking, use that same slotted spoon to carefully lift the egg pouch out of the hot water. Let it drain for a moment. Finally, place the warm egg pouch on a cutting board and carefully snip the twisted top with scissors. Gently unwrap the cling film, revealing your perfectly shaped poached egg. Serve immediately on toast, avocado, or your favorite dish. Season with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some chopped chives. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.